Shania Jane and welcome back to Gen D Science. Today I'll be doing the elephant toothpaste experiment, which explores the concept of enzymes and catalysts. So here I'll be using hydrogen peroxide and yeast to be doing this experiment. So first, here's the hydrogen peroxide, here's a water, here's yeast and dish soap, along with food coloring, a funnel, and some tools to mix, and a water bottle where the experiment will happen, and a can to contain it so that it doesn't spill. So first, I'll be using the funnel to add hydrogen peroxide into the water bottle. And I'll be adding dish soap, only a drop of it. Okay. So this stuff is done. Now to add the yeast, I'll be putting some yeast into this water that I took out around 4 to 5 spoons of water, and I'll be adding around 1.5 spoons of yeast into it. I'll mix it with the tool. Okay, and to make it more fun, I want to add some red and blue food coloring to make it into purple. Okay, now I'll mix it up. So yeast is a catalyst. It's an enzyme which will act like a catalyst when it's in this solution, because hydrogen peroxide is always going to convert into hydrogen and oxygen. It always tries to dissociate, but it takes a really long time to dissociate. So what yeast does as an enzyme is it helps create the process and make it a lot faster. So now I'll add this yeast solution into the funnel, or not the funnel, just the cup. As you can see, it is slowly rising. Even though it usually takes a really long time, really quick time to rise, sometimes the enzyme and the catalyst don't fit in well together. So here the substrate seems to be a little bit off, but it's still rising a lot faster than it would have done if hydrogen peroxide had only been alone and trying to dissociate. So here it has risen up to almost the top of the bottle, and it's still continuing to rise. We can see it's coming all the way up. So here we have seen that it is continuing to flow throughout the outside of the bottle, and this is because the yeast has helped create the process of hydrogen peroxide turning into hydrogen and oxygen a lot faster than it would have happened if it was alone just hydrogen peroxide in this bottle. It will take a long time to turn into hydrogen and oxygen. But the yeast, because it's a catalyst, it helps create this process a lot quicker. Also, this is an important note that this will turn slightly hotter than it was before, because this reaction is exothermic, which means it's releasing out a lot of energy. Thank you.